Organized Mom versus Clean Mama.
Welcome to my new video series, where cleaning routines go head-to-head against each other in...
Who did it better?
There will be 14 rounds where these systems will compete, and in that we may just discover which cleaning routine is best for you in...
Who did it better?
Because we're all just trying to figure out how the heck to manage at home, right? And I still haven't figured it out myself, so let's crack the case together. Are you ready to start the show?
Round 1. Laundry.
Clean Mama says laundry should be done every day from start to finish, and additionally has you washing your bed sheets every Saturday. Organized Mom says to do one load of laundry every day, but does not specify if it should be folded. What does this mean? That I leave laundry on the couch all week? She also does not mention the bed sheets at all.
Who did it better? Clean Mama.
For including the laundry and being specific. Nobody wants laundry on their couch all week.
Round 2. Bathrooms.
Clean Mama has you cleaning your bathrooms as a weekly task done every Monday. She purposely schedules it so that it's right after the weekend when the bathrooms may be at their messiest. She says you can do this in 15 minutes, but only if you keep up with it over time. Otherwise, the first couple weeks may take up to an hour. On her list of daily tasks, she has you wiping down all counters, and this includes the bathroom counters as well. On the other hand, Organized Mom has cleaning the bathrooms as a daily task. She doesn't want you spending more than 5 minutes, and she has you change it up regularly. One day, wipe the counters and mirrors. Another day, tackle the floors. By the end of the week, your bathroom should be clean and should continue to stay clean.
Who did it better? Organized Mom.
Only spending 5 minutes a day doing different small tasks sounds a lot better than spending anywhere between 15 to 60 minutes every Monday. Not all of us have an hour to jumpstart our bathrooms. Doing just a little each day will make it so that we never have to worry about company. If my neighbor Jamie wants to use the bathroom on Sunday, come on in and use it. I've been keeping up on it all week.
Round 3. Dishes.
Clean Mama does not mention dishes on her cleaning routine. Neither does Organized Mom. Shame on these ladies for not recognizing that dishes are a vital task to be included on a cleaning system. Remove 1 point from each of these cleaning systems for leaving out such an important chore.
Round 4. Clutter.
Clean Mama has a daily task of taking care of clutter where she advises you to pick up clutter twice a day, once during the day and once in the evening, but she doesn't give a time on how long you should spend doing so. Organized Mom has you decluttering on Fridays in her Friday Focus. Each Friday you concentrate on a different room or area of the home where you use that time to declutter those rooms and deep clean them as well once you have finished decluttering. She has you spending no more than 30 minutes doing so.
Who did it better? Clean Mama.
Clutter builds up day after day, and only having one day to dedicate to it isn't going to get us very far, when we likely will just accumulate the same amount of stuff that we picked up in another week. Doing a little each day is best.
Round 5. Floors.
Clean Mama has a daily task called Check the Floors, where she doesn't have you sweep daily, but wants you to check the floors to see if it needs a sweep. She also has you vacuuming your house every Wednesday as well, and mopping on Thursdays. Organized Mom, on the other hand, has you vacuuming as a daily task, particularly the main traffic areas of your home, and mopping them once a week. She also has you vacuum and mop the living room on Monday, the bedrooms on Tuesday, the entrance hall and stairs on Wednesday, and the kitchen on Thursday.
Who did it better? Clean Mama.
I'm feeling a bit overwhelmed by how often Organized Mom wants me cleaning the floors. I like the idea of dedicating one day to it a week and then checking the floors as needed throughout the week.
Round 6. Kitchen.
Clean Mama has you deep cleaning the kitchen every February, 1 month out of the year. Organized Mom has you cleaning your kitchen every Thursday with an additional deep clean once every 2 months during her Friday Focus.
Who did it better? Organized Mom.
Does your kitchen not need to be cleaned through the months of March through January? Because Just cleaning it in February is not enough for my house. The kitchen is one of the dirtiest rooms in my home. It needs to be a priority.
Round 7. Bedrooms.
Clean Mama has you cleaning the bedrooms once a year in June, while Organized Mom has you cleaning the bedrooms every Tuesday. And both of these routines have you making your bed every day.
Who did it better? Neither.
1 month out of the year is way too long of a wait, but every week is too often. Bedrooms can get away with being cleaned only once a month, in my opinion. So,
0 points for both systems. Round 8. Dusting.
Clean Mama has you dusting your whole house every Tuesday. Organized Mom has you dusting a different room each day, but only covers the living room, bedrooms, kitchen, and entryway. And then she has you dusting additional rooms every Friday.
Who did it better? Clean Mama.
Once again, I am overwhelmed by Organized Mom's priorities here. Although she does mention that for her daily room cleans, you don't necessarily have to dust every time. It's just on the list of tasks to do if needed. You could always focus on a different task if dusting is already completed. But I still feel like dedicating just 1 day to dusting the whole house is the better way, in my opinion. You may disagree, and that's okay.
Round 9. Deep cleaning.
Clean Mama assigns January as the month you will deep clean your whole house, and additionally assigns one area of the house to each month of the year. For example, every June you deep clean the bedrooms, and every April you deep clean the bathrooms. She provides 12 rotating tasks as a guide to use for each room you clean. She does not give any specific times of the day or week to complete these tasks that I know of. Organized Mom, on the other hand, has you deep cleaning each Friday with her Friday Focus, spending no more than 30 minutes and rotating through 8 total rooms in 8 weeks, which would allow you to have your home fully deep cleaned every other month if you consistently followed this.
Who did it better? Organized Mom.
I like her way better because she purposely arranged her cleaning schedule so that she could free up a day of the week for you to have a time slot to focus on those deep cleaning tasks. Otherwise, if I don't have a scheduled time to do it, then I have a feeling I just won't do it. I also feel like certain things just can't wait. Like I mentioned before, the kitchen just can't go a year without being cleaned.
Round 10. Organization.
Clean Mama provides you with a 1-page printable that you can print and check off as you go with a nice, clean, and minimal look. Organized Mom has 4 printables, also sorted beautifully and color-coded in a comforting way. While it's not as convenient as having 1 page, the 4 pages are a little easier on the eyes, as the 1 page feels a bit cluttered.
Who did it better? Organized Mom.
While having 1 page is nice, starting a new cleaning routine can be a bit overwhelming, so having 4 pages that are more spaced out and less cluttered may make it easier for me to get started. The color coding also makes it easy for my eyes to find what page I need to go to pretty quickly. While with Clean Mama's printables, I have to take a minute to search the page. But Clean Mama still did an excellent job in her printable. Organized Mom just did a little better.
Round 11. Originality.
Clean Mama's routine seems pretty basic. Dust 1 day, mop the next, clean your sheets on the weekends. I've heard it before. It's nothing new. But she does have a Friday catch-all day where you can catch up on previous tasks in the week, which is a cool idea. And I like the way she has rotating tasks to guide you during the monthly deep cleaning too. Organized Mom's routine focuses on cleaning a different room of the house each day, which isn't unheard of, but a little different than what is typical. Although her Friday Focus is very unique with the way she sets aside an entire day for your deep cleaning tasks. And most routines seem to have more of an attitude of get to it when you get to it with the deep cleaning tasks.
Who did it better? Organized Mom.
She has ideas that I haven't heard of before, ideas that are unique to her. I think that's why many of you liked her system, because of her originality. Finally, something different.
Round 12. Speed.
Clean Mama has 5 daily tasks and a task for every day of the week except Sunday. She has you spending 1 day dusting, 1 day vacuuming, 1 day mopping, 1 day cleaning the bathrooms, and 1 day cleaning your bed sheets. She gets her home deep cleaned by focusing on a different area of the home each month with rotating tasks. Organized Mom has 4 daily tasks, 1 less than Clean Mama, and has you spending 30 minutes cleaning a room each day. She focuses mainly on the living room, entryway, bedrooms, and kitchen. And then she has deep cleaning tasks that you complete on Friday by rotating through 8 areas of the home, essentially hitting each area once every other month.
Who did it better? Clean Mama.
Organized Mom has you spending 30 minutes cleaning a different room a day with different tasks such as tidying, dusting, vacuuming, and mopping, and that's for just one room. It seems like it would take more time to mop one room a day every day than to just mop the whole house one day a week. I believe you'll spend a little less time cleaning if you follow Clean Mama's plan.
Round 13, cleanest home.
When I did Clean Mama, my home was consistently dusted, vacuumed, and mopped. The dishes were never done, but the bathroom was clean, my bed sheets were laundered, and the clutter was picked up. When I did Organized Mom, the kitchen was clean, the bedrooms were spotless. Once again, dishes were never done, but the bathroom was beautiful. The floors were always swept because it was a daily task, and the living room and entryway were pretty clean too.
Who did it better? Clean Mama.
My home was definitely cleaner with Clean Mama's routine because she addresses the whole house, while Organized Mom completely leaves out rooms like the dining room and focuses way too much on rooms that I didn't feel mattered very much, like the bedrooms and the entryway. My home was clean, but the dining room was a mess. I don't need to be spending 30 minutes cleaning the bedroom every week. That's just a waste of my limited time. If I'm going to spend 30 minutes cleaning, it better be the dishes, because those are always, and I mean always, piling up.
Round 14, feasibility.
Clean Mama's system is simple and easy to understand. She has her 5 daily tasks and she has her 6 weekly tasks, 1 for each day except Sunday. Organized Mom is also easy to understand and implement. She has 4 daily tasks and a room to clean for each day of the week. Both of them are pretty simple and not very overwhelming at all.
Who did it better? Organized Mom.
Organized Mom has 1 less daily task for you to have to worry about and 1 less weekly task. She also provides you with the principles to her weekly deep cleaning jobs for free, and they are very easy to access. You don't even have to put in an email. You can just go to her website and download them. But Clean Mama makes you pay to know what her monthly deep cleaning focus is. You're not going to know what room to clean each month unless you buy her planner or become a member of her home cleaning society, both of which cost money. I think it's much easier to get started with Organized Mom due to her simple and beautiful principles and straightforward routine. I felt the least overwhelmed when starting with her system. And that was the last round, so let's add it all up and see who wins.
And the results are in. Clean Mama received 5 points. Organized Mom received 5 points.
Uh-oh. You know what that means? We need a
tiebreaker.
We need to ask the ultimate question, one that will decide which cleaning routine is best. This question is more important than any other question to ever be asked about a cleaning routine. Here we go.
Bonus round. Which cleaning system is better for working mothers?
Both systems have you doing laundry. Both systems have you make the bed daily. Both systems leave out the dishes. Both systems have you sweep or check the floors daily. Clean Mama has 1 more daily task than Organized Mom. Organized Mom has you cleaning 1 room each day. Clean Mama has you completing 1 task each day. Which one is better? It's so hard to pick. What will the working moms do? What will they do? What the heck will they do?
And the winner of Who Did It Better is Clean Mama.
Why though? Well, if you're a working mom, then we have very limited time. And I don't think we need to be focusing on bedrooms and entryways. No, you need to mop your house and you need to take care of the piles of stuff sitting on your dining room table. Organized Mom, while she has a great system, her priorities aren't straight. And when you're a working mom with basically no free time, you need to have your priorities straight. This is a non-negotiable. Thank you for joining me today, and I will see you on the next episode of
Who Did It Better?
But for now, check out this video where I compare Clean Mama's routine against Fly Lady's. Who has the best cleaning routine? You'll just have to click and find out. I'll see you there.